Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shan Bharat. We are from Government Degree College, Gambaropet, Nadar Sircilla District, Department of English. Our Jignasha project is a student and role of soft skills in employment in bridging the gap between education and industry. Under suggestions by Dr. Anjaneyal Sir, Assistant Professor of English. There are 20 members. The total project overview, introduction, hypothesis, aims, objectives, research, methodology, literature review, solution questionnaires, interviews, data analysis, case studies, key finding, conclusion, recommendations. The first one is introduction. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, adaptability, and problem solving are no crucial of employability. The study explore the definition and way to integrate them into education into industry needs. This is controlled by Ishwati.
Thank you, Bharat. Background of the study, definition of the soft skills first. Personal attribution, social ability and emotional intelligence that enable to individual to navigate their work environment effectively. Significance in today's job market, soft skills are increasingly seen as key differentiators in hiring and career progresses. Education industry gap, while academic institutions focus on technical and theoretical knowledge of skills, development often remain underemphasized. Hypothesis, a gap between graduates, soft skills and employees requirements affects employability. This study explores the cause of this mismatch and potential solutions. This study aims to explore the importance of soft skills in employability while highlighting how they enhance technical knowledge and help students to adapt to evolving the needs of the industry. Objective. The primary objective of this study explores how soft skills are integral to the employability and how soft skills bridging the gap between educational outcomes and industry expectations. Thank you. Next continued by Shreya.
Thank you, Swati. Research methodology. The study employs both qualitative and quantitative methods to gather data. A mixed methods approach provides a comprehensive understanding of and questions. Some questions were prepared with this sort. Interviews by project students. We interacted with our college staff. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. With job experts and library at workplace data analysis, we collected survey and interview data and analyzed using statistical assets between students' education skills.
అదేంటి
Case studies institutions and organizations successfully integrating soft skills with their programming offer practical examples of improving soft skills development, curricular and training.
Thank you, Srija. Soft skills in demand. Data from the survey and interviews reveal that employers highly value soft skills, communication, teamwork, leadership, and ability and problem solving. But many students feel these skills are not adequately and emphasized in formal education. Gap between education and industries. Education industries often focus the technical knowledge, leaving a gap in the practical soft skills. Industries needs employee highlight fresh graduates with communication, teamwork, and leadership. Rule of educational institutions. Some institutions are incorporating soft skills in their curriculum, but most still prioritize academic learning. Educational system must better integrate soft skills training with technical subjects.
Thank you, Stuti. Conclusion. The study underscores the importance of soft skills, bright career, success comparing for efforts by educators and employers. Curriculum should focus on developing these skills while employers need to offer ongoing to build. Our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy garu launched skill in university for the bright career for students and industry needs. These are recommendations. We gather the information online resources, books, article, journal and article report. Thank you. Dhanyawad.